Hey, what's going on, you guys? This is Brian from the Elite Diecast coming at you with another video. This is video 2 of the USS Voyager build, model build from Revell. So just to catch up, last video I was showing you how I drilled out the windows and all of that. Today an update is that I finally got all the windows, of course, drilled out, and then I got the photo etch actually inside of the pieces now. The photo etch is this gold stuff that you see. That's the photo etch. It's a little nicer than the regular windows that come with the model kit. So now I'm just kind of taking out the tape I used to hold them in. This isn't glued in, it's just held together by a piece of tape. Cause I was looking at something. I was looking at how I'm gonna have to sand all of this to make it all nice and good and stuff for when I get ready to cement it together. Using this, when I actually glue it together, I might have to sand all of that down to make it look good. But so far everything looks pretty decent so far. I'm hoping this weekend I'll be able to start doing some primer work, start priming the body of it so I can start doing some light blocking. But I'm also waiting on my lighting kit to come in, which I have no idea. They said 4 to 7 weeks, which has only been about a week tomorrow since I actually ordered it. So again, we'll see. I emailed them to see when I should expect it. Oh yeah, other thing I did was glue in the primary sensor array and the secondary deflector dish. This part and that part. Primary sensor array, secondary or auxiliary deflector dish. And one other thing I did also do is this top sensor array up here. I forgot what actual part they call it. There's so many sensor arrays on this thing, it's not even funny. That's just two of them. There's a bunch of them that goes on the sides as well, and then there's those are sensor arrays right there too. So got the tape off. So that's how it looks so far. The ready room, captain's ready room, and there's like a cafeteria thing, or executive cafeteria, whatever they call it. I had to drill out the windows completely and put those on, but as you can see, looking inside of there, I didn't really do a good job, so I'm gonna have to get another Dremel bit so I can actually clean that up a little bit so the light would shine through a lot better. Because without it, I mean, if I don't, it's not gonna look that great. So that is all I have for the update right now. And once I have done some more stuff, I'll see you in the next video. Alright, so this last part is just me putting on the sensor arrays. I'm sorry, the phaser arrays on the side of the ship. It's the extra photo etch pieces to go on the sides here. Once I cut it off the little piece part, I just have to, first I have to fit it on there and make sure everything is right. Then I take the Dremel and grind down the edges, but the rough edges I have to cut off. And then I just apply a little glue. And I just stick it on there and just let it sit. I add tape if I need to let it sit, but the glue is pretty easy and it dries pretty quickly.